Table from Sebastian regarding gastric cell type, location and function. This is very important table. Okay, so there are cell type, then location and function. So first we will see two important cell, parietal cell and chief cell. So parietal cells and chief cells both are located in the body. Okay, okay. And the parietal cell secrete intrinsic factor and chief cell secrete pepsin. How to remember? P is not for P. So P is not for P. Parietal cell not secreting pepsin. Okay. So chief cell secrete pepsin, parietal cell secrete intrinsic factor. Okay. Okay. Next comes to enterochromaffin like cells. They also located in body and secrete histamine. They ask. So there is question like histamine secrete from which cell type? So enterochromaffin like cells. Okay, this is the question. And in this they ask the question. They ask the name of the function and the location. Okay. Next come to the antrum. In antrum G cell located and it secrete gastrin. This is very important. So in antrum, so you can see the antrum only G cell located only in the antrum and secrete gastrin. So in all acid causing ulcer you have to do antrectomy because of this G cell location in the antrum. Important. Next is D. D cell located in body and antrum and secrete somatostatin. So you have to remember somatostatin secreted from D cell. This is MCQ. Then gastric mucosal and interneurons. They are also located in body and antrum and second gastrin releasing peptide. Okay. So gastrin releasing peptide is secreted from gastric mucosal interneuron. That enteric neuron they are diffusely located and secrete CGRP, calcitonin gene related peptide. Okay, this is also MCQ. So there are two neuron, gastric mucosal interneuron and enteric neuron. Enteric neuron secrete CGRP and gastric mucosal interneuron secrete gastrin releasing peptide. So gastric gastrin. Okay. Last is ghrelin. Ghrelin secrete from endocrine cells and also located in body. So you see the most of the cells are located in either body or antrum or both. Okay. So in this I want to highlight again the parietal cell and chief cell located in the body. Parietal cell secrete intrinsic factor, chief cell secreted pepsin. P is not for P. Then histamine is secreted by enterochromaffin like cells. Okay, the G cell only located inside antrum and secrete gastrin. Okay, somatostatin secreted by D cell. Okay, then GRP is secreted by gastric mucosal interneuron and CGRP secreted by enteric neurons. Okay, this is important. Okay, thank you.